How to log into Lowe's credit card online account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily log into your Lowe's credit card online account. Let's get right into it. First thing first, you have to get over to any web browser you have and then search for Lowe's credit card login. Now, I have to recommend you to find the correct one because there are a lot of fake websites which can lead to potential scams, so you will have to be aware of those. Now here you will have to find this particular URL which says www.lowe's.com and make sure to open this correct link. Now this will land you on the homepage of Lowe's credit card, and on the top right corner you will see the sign in option, so just click on it and it will guide you to the sign-in portal of this website. Once you get to this page, you will have an option to enter your user ID and your password. So just enter your valid user ID and then enter your password. And if you want the browser to remember your login details, you can just click on this box, and next time you won't have to enter your user ID again and again. And once you do that, you can click on secure login and it will log into your account. But if you forgot your user ID or password, you can click here to recover them. And if you are new to this website, you can always register or apply to a new account. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you on the next video.